Greetings everybody, Mammoth1K here with another episode, Mammoth's Minecraft. I here with testing outside. I reworked the add motion thing, dropped it to 3 so it doesn't kill me automatically. That's what this number with the little trident thingy here, the psi cost, is over on the right. If that's above my 1000 current psi, it'll just straight up kill me. But something is messed up here. I think the vector thing isn't working the way I want it to, so we will move on. That's working off of this thing. But anyway, yeah, there's a... Ow, that's what it does. It clears out my mana and does not do what I want. So we're going to take that out. We're going to hit W and go to the next thing in the tutorial. Entities, numbers, or vectors. I think we want to learn about entities. Entities are an essential component to spell programming. Using components like select or caster, it's possible to get the person casting the spell. Pieces included here allowed for the pieces. Whatever. More stuff for selectors. These are all selectors. If you make use of the pieces here to create spells that affect other entities, try using it with a trick add motion on them instead of yourself. Okay. Let's go. Add motion. I know I have a lot of stuff in here. Motion. Add motion. Target. Nearby animals, nearby enemies, nearby items, nearby living, nearby projectiles. Let's go nearby enemies. Target. To the left. Okay. Radius sounds sure like a number. And let's call that radius 3. I think that's all it needed. Maybe. What are you? You are add motion. You need a direction and a speed. Those sound like numbers. Maybe. Might be able to get away with the direction as let's make that 3. Nope, not 43. Just 3. So you direct speed comes down here. Now we need a direction. Entity look closest to point. Add to list. Entity position. Move from list. I wonder how you use random entity. Upload to imager. There's an upload to imager thing built in. It's crazy. Okay. Nearby animals, debug, explode, add motion, projectile. No, those are selectors. I don't need a selector. Where's the caster? Where's caster? There it is. Gun. Okay. Random entity, focused, entity position. No, entity. Wait. Vector, no. Get in a target entity and you put out a vector. What am I looking for here? What am I looking for the add motion? Where's the add motion? There it is. Trick, add motion. Puts out none because it's a trick. I need a direction, a vector. I need a vector. Can I type in vector? No. Okay, so I need something that puts out a vector. You put out a vector. Okay. Direction from you. Entity's position. Meh. Boop. It's not working. Probably because this is crap. Be what I bet. Okay. How do we get up? Okay, we need to do entity look, and we want to do select caster. Target to the left. You target is enemies. Direction is up, right? Parameter is facing an invalid piece on 5-3. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. You're getting a vector for direction. You are getting an entity list. Oh. Found the problem. I think. You are 3. You are nearby enemies. You are add to list. Random enemy from gets list. Okay. Okay. Get list from there. You get radius from there. I remember it's not set. Position is caster's position. Oh, I can do closest to point. Entity position, I guess. Position and thumb. Okay. That was a lot of work to make. You better freaking be awesome. I'm gonna replace my add motion bullet. Oh, you're an add motion bullet. Whatever. Repulsor. This is a repulsor spell. Okay. Let's get myself killed. I need an enemy. Where do I find enemies at? I don't know. None of my enemies are still alive. Okay. Let's go. Ooh, it's getting dark. It is conveniently getting dark. This is going to be programming on camera. I think I'm going to be able to do really awesome things with it, but I don't think it's going to be anything that'll be really good for a series. So I think after this, I will be uploading it and being like, hey, this is what this is. Hey, look, it's a guy. Spell entity target is a non-existent. Okay, pretty sure I know what that was. That was we didn't have anybody in range. I think. I really don't want this to be the creeper. Yeah. Especially when the spell is killing me. Yeah, you know what? You know what? Oh, it's really cool that you can set that while you're doing things. Hey. Creeper face. Boom. You like exploding? 2. Curious how many hits it'll take. 3. 4. It does not like doing this. Sword. Okay. Add motion. Fill up my psi, because I think it's like 900 for this spell. Boop. Okay, I think it technically works, but it just sucks. What was I supposed to use to like... I don't even know. Oh, sweet. Block of iron. I will take some iron. Boom! Ow. I really like the mechanic that you take a little bit extra when you, do the thing. Okay. What are we doing here? Closest to point is what we ought to be doing. Oh, did I just... Whatever. Okay. Let's delete all that. We need to use closest to point. Okay. What do you give us? You return an entity and you give us a vector list. Our vector list is going to be add to list. You get past an entity and a list and you get added to the list. That's kind of cool. You need a position. Position is going to be entity position. Yeah, position is up north. Cool. Any position needs a target. Target is probably going to be me. Caster. Right. Passes an entity. Player living. Passes, receives an entity, gets a vector. Is looking for a vector. Okay. Need an entity list. Let's go nearby animals. No, bed. No, I'm sorry, guys. Burn, zombies, burn. I'm trying to program here. Nearby animals. Okay, radius. Number constant. Yeah. Let's get a number here. Number, I don't know, 3, 2, 3, 23. 3. Okay. Radius. To pass there. You were looking for a target. That's not what we wanted to do yet. No! Dang it! Control Z? Control Z? Ha! Cool. Because you are an entity list, and you were looking for an entity list. So this does that. We now need add motion. Target is from the left. I don't want to do direction, because I don't know. That's a vector. Why not? Why the heck not? And your number 2. 4, I guess. Card parameters not set. Nearby animals. Position. Okay, let's do this. Can we control copy, control paste? Yeah. Control copy, control paste. Control copy paste. It's not what I wanted at all. Target up top. You are pulling. Oh, wreck. Okay, this is falling apart on me. No. Yeah, no. Okay, so from me, we need to grab a position. I think that's the only thing we need from me, kind of. So from here we want to go and closest to point. From this, we need a position, which will be from me. Yes. We also need a target, which will be nearby animals. They get a radius, which is a number. It's like 2 or something. Never said that correctly. We also need a position. I think I can actually click and drag, make you animals. Position from the right. Radius from the left. You still need, what do you still need? You still need a target. You're an entity list. No, yeah, you're an entity list. Do that. Target. You are now passing an entity. I want you to be, what does motion need? A vector. Your ED's a vector, right? Yeah, vector and a speed. This can just be emotion. And you, target is to the left. And you are direction. And speed is a number. 2. It's a thing. 400 blah, 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 blah. Complexity 1. Bandwidth is our like highest as you can get right now. Frick. Okay, but it compiles. Let's get the old add motion out of there and get our new one in here. Okay, this, I have a lot more respect for that show now after doing all this. Okay, this gun is set on explode. This gun should shove animals away from us, I think. Are you an animal? I don't know if you're an animal. I used the spell. I want to see if it works, though. I don't know what the radius is. I don't know if radius is counted in blocks or what. I just, like, tried launching that horse. Look at that. Yeah, you go in that direction. Ready? 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 Boom! It's doing nothing. Okay. that'll be it here for today, guys. If you think that this is interesting enough for me to keep doing, please let me know down in the comments below. I think it's interesting. I don't know if it is worthy of me recording levels of interesting. So, yeah. Anyway, but if you guys stay online, I'll see you next time. Peace out. Bye-bye.